Happy holidays from Bliss. So today's video is all about potatoes for hair growth, or potato for hair growth. So this is your normal funny looking potato here. This is freshly washed. Your girl is a little bit hungry, so I am going to make me some french fries. But I wanted to share with you guys the benefits of potatoes. So let's just jump right into it. Potatoes contains vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, and iron, which nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. So normally whenever people use potatoes to encourage hair growth, they usually create a potato juice and apply that directly to the scalp. So as you guys see here, I have sliced up or diced up my potatoes, and I have created wedges for french fries. Love french fries. I believe beauty starts from within, so I'm going to eat my potatoes versus create a potato juice. Okay, potatoes cleanses the scalp and unclogs the hair follicles, so we're definitely pleased about that. Okay, so if you suffer with the dandruff, potatoes is definitely a good thing for you. It's going to be very beneficial for you. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have completed cutting up my potato. I have seasoned up my potatoes really well, and I have applied it to my baking sheet. And now I'm going in with a little bit of oil because I want to make it a little bit crispy. I have my oven set on 400 preheated, and now I'm just applying my potato. Yes, this is also a great snack to have if you are vegan. I am, of course, pescatarian, but I'm aiming to become a vegetarian. So here's the results of my potato wedges. You guys, this is for anyone. Anyone can make this. You don't have to be a chef to do this. Y'all, these potatoes were bomb.com. I really enjoyed it a whole lot. You should try this for a snack, and you should also make you some potato juice for your scalp. Smooches.